am I at large?
I am the brain. I have many layers. I control thoughts, feelings, and the body. From inputs within and without, interpreting and representing them.
With a better and more useful face, painted upon the raw waves and frequencies.
My senses are as spy outposts upon reality.
Inside, my own developed language of qualia portrays the results of the messages produced.
By my vast array of neural connections, of their analysis, which takes a bit of time.
Our consciousness thus being the last to know.